Kroger, we're gonna get some ingredients for our pizza pasta. There we go. Mini pepperoni. Mozzarella, $1.77.
Okay, so for the base, we do have our pasta. You can use any kind. This was $1, this was a little over $1. For your sauce, you can get $1 for the store. For this, we have Ragu. Also, I've made my own pasta sauce, a little bit more expensive, but a little tastier too. For pepperoni, we have the mini pepperonis. You can also use the big pepperonis. Of course, we can't live without the cheese. And then we have our black olives. Who can live without black olives? And mushrooms. You can use canned mushrooms, or I like to use fresh mushrooms. Okay, so now we're gonna cook our pasta in the microwave. And for that, we'll need our pasta and our water. So first, we're gonna pour the water into the bowl and put salt in it. Okay, so you'll put it in depending on your microwave and depending on the size of noodle. This one will probably take anywhere from 6 to 8 minutes. Okay, so while the pasta's cooking, and I'm gonna prep my fresh mushrooms. So now I'm gonna mix the marinara with the mushrooms and the mini pepperonis in my mixing bowl. Get it nice and funky and chunky. And we're gonna go check on our pasta. So now we're gonna put our pasta in our pan, and it's been pre-oiled with a little bit of olive oil just to make sure the noodles don't stick. So we'll go ahead and pour these in here. So put half the noodles at the bottom of the pan, and then we're gonna pour our mixture on the pasta. Quite a bit of cheese on here. And we had a little bit of black olive, so we're gonna just go ahead and put that on there as well. Since we don't have any Parmesan cheese, obviously we're not doing that. It tends to be a little bit pricier. Gonna go ahead and dash a little bit of red pepper on it, just for fun. Just do a little bit on the top. And this is ready to go in the microwave. So this is the pizza pasta. Ryan is going to be the guinea pig and try it and tell us how it tastes.
I give this recipe an 8 out of 10 minimum. This is just delicious.
And it's microwaved.